We're about to cook us a whole hog and have a big party, and you can't have a whole hog without coleslaw. So I made this cabbage coleslaw salad. Check it out. First, you're gonna need a giant 30-quart bowl. Now we're gonna dice this up 2 large heads of cabbage. Just like this. So that's 2 whole heads of cabbage. That's a lot of cabbage. We're gonna use about a tablespoon of black pepper. And you're gonna need some Dano's Original. That's the green top. You can find it at your local grocery store. We're gonna use 1 entire bottle of Dano's Original. 1 24-ounce container of this Marzetti's slaw mix. It's gotta be Marzetti's. And there you go. 2 bags of broccoli slaw. Now we're gonna dice these up in little pieces. Now you need 2 of these English cucumbers, and we're simply just gonna shave the skin off. Now we cut off the tip. Ooh. Very carefully split this right down the middle, right down the middle again. Now we cut. Now we mix it all in together. All right, so we're all done here, but we're not serving this till tomorrow. So we're gonna let this sit in a Ziploc bag overnight, and that's what makes it really good and lets all the juices come out. All right, so we got in our Ziploc bags, and check out what they look like in 24 hours. All right, so it's been 24 hours, and as you can see, there's a lot more juice in there. So when we pour this all out, mix it all together, it's ready to eat. Yum, yum, get us some.